Global parameters can live within your project, or you can make them on the fly. It's up to you. If you go up into your settings under global parameters here and you click here, you can list them, you can make new ones, modify them, delete them, and you can make them reliant on formulas by cutting and pasting the names and saying, times this, factor it up, or add a little formula inside of there ahead of time. So these can be pre-made anytime. So I can then apply those over to here. So I can pick on this dimension and say you are building width, and it'll fix that. And because the walls are aligned to the grid lines, it'll update, and the roof is aligned to the walls, right? The roof is aligned to the walls and the levels. So let's grab this dimension and say you are depth, and depth is tied to the width. So it automatically factors out. So now if I pick on this guy and hit the pencil and go back to width and bump that down to be, 20 feet and hit apply, and I can move that out of the way and hit apply, and you'll see, oh, I went too far. Cancel. You see what that happens. So, you have to be careful with that. So I'll go, maybe back to 25 feet. Hit apply. Oh, still too small. Let's go to 30. Hit apply. Oh, it's okay with the 30 feet. Let's go to the window heights. So window heights are relying on the building floor height. So I'll pick on there and set this one and say you are main floor height. Okay, that adjusts that with everything with it. Now this, soon as I make that window height, okay, it's going to jump up because it's talking to this guy. So now if I pick on here and change building height to be 12 feet and I hit apply, it'll move those windows with it. So fundamentally, some of the parts are already talking to each other, the roof and the walls and the grid lines. And when I impose constraints on the dimensions, it then controls those parts that then impact the other parts that are reliant on it. Just like these last three windows these are already aligned. So if I take this dimension and I say you are window height, okay, it's going to take those, move them everywhere, of course, but they're now talking to the building height. So then I could, for instance, go over to here, hit this little pencil and change that building height to be 10 feet and hit apply, and that whole part moves down and the windows with it.